Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to make plantain moi moi, and here are the ingredients. Peel and blend the overripe plantains with the crayfish, onions and pepper, and blend until smooth. Pour the unripe plantain flour or cornmeal into a bowl, add a little warm water and mix the flour until you get a smooth paste. Then pour in the overripe plantain mixture and mix thoroughly. You can add a little water if the mixture is too thick so that you can get a lighter consistency, but make sure it's not watery. Now add the palm oil, seasoning cubes and salt to taste and mix thoroughly. You can also use residue oil as a substitute for the palm oil. Finally, pour into your container of choice, seal and place in a steamer or pot of boiling water for 45 minutes to 1 hour until the moi moi solidifies. Leave to cool a bit, then serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please give us a thumb up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel and website for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.